You probably clicked on this video because you just ordered your iPhone 11 and now you're binge watching a bunch of unboxing videos. You know what? Same, and I'm not judging you for it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kelly and I'm going to be doing something super duper exciting today. I recently just ordered an iPhone 11. I got it in the color purple and in 128 gigabytes. So I'm going to be unboxing that today. I've been waiting for this package all day today. Now the reason I decided to get the 11 instead of the 12 is because honestly it was cheaper and there isn't really much of a difference in either phones, so I just decided to go with the cheaper one. I got the purple one because it's my favorite color. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And also, so this there's a new box now for the iPhones since Apple introduced their environmentally friendly what they're doing right now, like their environmentally friendly, what is it? I can't remember what it is. So yeah, so now there's a bunch of stuff that doesn't come in the box anymore. Oh, guys, look. This is so nice. It's just everything that's written on the back. The sides. iPhone in purple. You have the Apple logo in purple. Honestly, this is really nice. It's really, really nice. And it just looks like this. Okay, so put this out of the way. So I also ordered a phone case, which I'm gonna unbox today. I ordered this off of Amazon and I just got it in the color purple as well, so it can match with the AirPods case I bought too. So this is the AirPods case. I already opened it and put it on, so everything's just gonna match. Okay, so this is the new box introduced. It's really, really nice. Purple color all around. Okay, so let me put this up. This is the box. There's the phone. Okay, so I don't want to drop it. This is what it looks like. Let me take it out. So in this new box that Apple introduced, we don't have a power adapter anymore, and we have the new USB-C cables. So I actually don't have a power adapter. So in the box as well, you just have the manuals on how to use a phone and everything. I mean, at this point you should kind of know how to use an iPhone. It's really not that hard. So there's also the ejector tool and one Apple sticker. So I think I did forget to mention that so I am upgrading to the 11 from an 8 Plus. So the no home button is going to be a bit of a change, but I don't think it's going to be too hard. Okay, so now to the front. I'm so afraid of dropping this and like breaking it, but this is what it looks like. Oh, you know that cold? So this is what it looks like. I'm so afraid of dropping this. Okay, let me take off. Oh yeah, I did it properly this time. It is so nice. I'm afraid of break. So I'm gonna set up the phone now. I'm just gonna press English, Canada, set up manually. Okay, put my Wi-Fi. Face ID. So I'm gonna set that up later. I'm gonna create a password. So now I'm just waiting for it to activate my phone. I don't know how long this is gonna take. Okay, so it is now setting up my phone. So now I'm gonna pick back up, and this is the latest one at 11:07 a.m. I'm gonna enable location services. Set up later. I don't even know what this is, to be honest. Don't use. Okay, we're gonna set up Siri now. Okay. Okay, so now it's asking me to download iOS 14, which I know might take a little while to download. Okay, so when this is done downloading, I will be back. Okay, so after 2 hours, I'm finally at this screen. So it downloaded iOS 14 and everything, and now it's just gonna restore my stuff. But I don't know how long it's gonna be, so I'm still gonna wait. Okay, so everything is finally done setting up now. So I'm just gonna unlock it, and we're gonna see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, okay, so I need to enter all of these passwords. Okay, so I don't know why these things are not showing up. So I guess it's still downloading my apps and everything. Cool. So I have everything in folders right now. Let me see if all of my pictures are still here. Yep, all of my pictures are still there. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let all of that download. I am going to check out the camera and stuff. So this is what comes up first when you open the camera and everything. New quick take video, tap and hold the shutter to record a quick video. Drag the shutter to the left for burst. Cool. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, just like I can already tell the camera quality is really good. Wow. Spano photo, slow-mo. Okay, so I'm gonna insert a clip right now of a video I took on my 8 Plus. Okay, and this is a video I took on the 11. You can really tell the difference. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed me unboxing my new phone. If you'd like to see how the transition will be from the 8 Plus to this phone, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you for my next video. Bye!